Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add footnote in Miss Word. Open your Word document to see the content. There, place the cursor on the desired line. You will go to the References menu and there you will click on Insert Footnote. You can see the footnote at the bottom of the page and at the end of the selected word. In the footnote, you can add the desired text. If you want to remove it, just delete the note that is right in front of the word. You will see that the footnote will be removed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.